Are you struggling to balance your preparation for Olympiad exams with your school academics? Here, we come with some tips to help you manage your time effectively and perform well in both the areas. Number one, prioritize your task. Determine which tasks are the most important and focus on those first. If you have a test coming up in school, make sure you give priority to studying for that before spending time on Olympiad preparation and vice versa. Second, plan your time. Set a schedule for your daily activities that includes time for Olympiad exam preparation and school academics. Make sure you allocate enough time for each subject and stick to your schedule. Next, start preparing early. Don't wait for the last minute preparation. Now, holidays are starting. You should start the preparation in your holidays. You should save your time and start smartly. Use your resources very wisely. Make use of your textbooks, online resources, study material, whether it is being provided by your school, your Olympiad coach, to make most of your study time. You should not waste your time searching for information that you could easily find in your materials. Next, you should take good care of yourself. You should not neglect your health. It is important to maintain a healthy balance between studying and the rest. Make sure you are getting enough sleep, eating well, and staying active to keep your body and mind in good shape. Dear students, by balancing your priorities and being disciplined in your approach for study, you can excel both in school academics and Olympiad exams. You should stay focused, stay organized, and take care of yourself. I'm sure you can do this. Good luck.